Here we have 3/17/2012, 1360 put on the S&P 500. One of the things that we would like to be clear about is that there was 46,000 of the 1360. So that means that the S&P 500 is closing at 1357. That means that the bear is buying 46,677 calls. That's almost four times the amount of the open interest. The open interest on the S&P March contract was only 12,653. Now 46,000 traded today. That means that people are making huge bets that the S&P goes down. When I look at the March 1360 put call chart, which most people don't know how to read, some do, naturally, but let's take a look. The calls are down here in a deflated area. They have pulled back a long ways. So people are hedging their portfolios thinking that the bull rally will have a pullback, because today is the very first big day that I have seen on a 1360 March put option. Now, another contract that was traded on the put side was a 1335 put. Notice it was 15,000 contracts. So people believe right now with that kind of volume, there are those who believe that the S&P 500 1335 is what it's going to be, I believe. So let's go here, get that in there, 1335. I'm not getting any chart data other than the fact that there hasn't been any real open interest in this contract. There was 19,000 contracts. The bid and ask was $17.90 by $19.70, and the last print was $19. That is the put side of the market that was being purchased today. There was also a 1350 March put that here I have chart data. That's a 1350 put. So let's go to the 1350. Put that in the level 2 here. 3,500 contracts traded below the strike. Not only that, people are betting for the first time that the S&P 500 is going to have a correction. We will look for the opportunities and the values. We just want you to see that 1350 put right there for March. And the 1355 still had 15,000 traded. This way we can weight the bear and bull, 46,000 puts traded. That is the monthly expiration for March, or March expiration. So learn how to trade the indexes, learn how to trade the S&P 500, and learn how to get on the call side and the put side of both sides of the market so that you can maneuver with your risk. S&P 500 1360 put update. Sorry, MMT, if I sound a little tired on the video or anyone watching it. It's been a long day today, so we're really working overtime to see where the broader bear has entered